Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 71. Golden rice is genetically modified crop plant where the incorporated gene is meant for biosynthesis of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, omega 3. The correct answer is option 1, vitamin A. Question number 63. What is not necessary for producing pure lines of a plant? Self-pollination, homozygous individuals, true bleeding, true breeding, cross-pollination is not necessary. Which of the following is not necessary for producing a pure line in plant? The correct answer is option D. Cross-pollination is not required for pure line production. Question number 88. If, due to some injury, the chordate tendineae of the tricuspid valve of human heart is partially non-functional, what will be the immediate effect? The flow of blood into the aorta will be slowed down, the pacemaker will stop working, the blood will tend to flow back into the left atrium, and the flow of blood into pulmonary artery will be reduced. The correct answer is option D. The flow of blood into the pulmonary artery will be reduced. Question number 76. The kind of tissue that forms the supportive structure in our pinna is also found in nail, ear ossicles, tip of nose or vertebrae. The correct answer is option C, the tip of nose, and this supportive structure is referring towards the cartilage. Question number 95. Male gametophyte in gymnosperm produces option A 3 sperms, option B 2 sperms and a vegetative cell, option C single sperm and a vegetative cell, option D single sperm and 2 vegetative cells. The correct answer is option B 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. Question number 99. Ctenophora have which level of organization? Cellular level, tissue level, organ system level. Ctenophora has which level of organization? The correct answer is option B, that is tissue level. Question number 100. Which of the following belongs to the phylum Arthropoda? Starfish, goldfish, silverfish, cuttlefish. Which of the following belongs to the phylum Arthropoda? The correct answer is option C. Silverfish belongs to Arthropoda. Question number 72. Balaenoptera belongs to which of the following? Option A. Chondrichthyes. Option B. Osteichthyes. Option C. Mammalia or option D. Amphibia. Balaenoptera belongs to which of the following? Correct answer is option C, that is Mammalia. And what is Balaenoptera? It is the scientific name of blue whale. Question number 98. In a pyramid of number in grassland ecosystem, the largest population is that of herbivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers, or producers. Largest population. The correct answer is option D, producers. Question number 89. What is not true for genetic code? It is nearly universal, it is degenerate, it is unambiguous. A codon in mRNA is read in a non-contiguous fashion. The correct answer is option 4 is not true for genetic code. Question number 92. The wings of a bird and wings of an insect are homologous structure represent convergent evolution, homologous structure represent divergent evolution, analogous structure represent convergent evolution, phylogenetic structures and represent divergent evolution. Wings of a bird and wings of an insect are. The
Correct answer is option C. Both are analogous structures and they represent convergent evolution.
Question number 84. The principal nitrogenous excretory compound in humans is synthesized in kidneys but eliminated mostly through liver, synthesized in kidneys as well as eliminated by kidneys, synthesized in liver and also eliminated by the same through bile, synthesized in liver but eliminate mostly via kidneys. The correct answer is option D. They are synthesized in liver but are eliminated mostly via kidneys. Question number 63. During the propagation of a nerve impulse, the action potential results from movement of option A. Potassium ions from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid, sodium ions from intracellular fluid to extracellular fluid, potassium ion from intracellular fluid to extracellular fluid, sodium ions from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid. During propagation of nerve impulse, the action potential results from the movement of. The correct answer is option D, sodium ions from extracellular fluid into the intracellular fluid. Question number 66. The chief water conducting element of xylem in gymnosperms are vessels, fibers, transfusion tissues or tracheids. Chief water conducting element of xylem in gymnosperms are. The correct answer is option D, that is tracheids. Question number 82. Read the following 5 statements A to E and answer as asked next to them. You can read the statements. How many of the above statements are correct? Option 1, 3 are correct. Option 2, 4 are correct. Option 3, 1 is correct, or option 4, 2 are correct. The answer is option 3, that is only one statement is correct. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.